going on, guys? Me and Matt are at this pond. Well, we're about to be at this pond. A guy hit up Matt. His name is Chase. He is going to go pick us up on a golf cart. We're going into these highly guarded neighborhoods. It's called the Landings. It's in Savannah, Georgia, if y'all don't know where that is. These ponds are like 65 years old, so it's going to be kind of insane. Like, these bass in here are absolutely gigantic. So let's get him and let's get out here and go catch some slaunches. You ready, Matt?
Oh yeah, man. We're gonna catch some. Probably over 7 pounds today.
You sure?
You gotta stay positive.
No, I think we're gonna be over 10.
Maybe. These ponds are old, man. Granddaddy's in this thing.
All right, well, let's go get on them, guys. Oh my God, it's a giant.
Yeah, I was like, here we go.
First one on the board, guys. Like a pound, maybe.
Hit that.
Yeah, hit that, for real. Oh, it's a big one. Never mind, I don't think it is. It's a good fish. He's stuck in a branch, though. I can't tell, dude. He's fighting extremely hard. It's not a bad one, I don't think. Oh, that's a good one. He's nasty looking though. Is that probably 2.5? Huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Dude, feel how nasty he is.
I know.
It's an old bass. Ugh. Mm-hmm. I feel like a storm drain bass. First one on the board for me.
Did you throw it in there in that little tiny gator?
So Chase just got one on the crankbait, about a pound, maybe a little less than a pound, but what's that, like our fourth fish? 3 bass?
1 redfish.
And 1 redfish, yeah, so it's our 4th fish. It's a good little one. Gator bait. Oh! Yeah. This is my kind of fish. This is my kind of fish, a deformed fish. Oh, look at this hunchback. Oh my gosh. This hunchback bass. You'll see that, guys? He's gonna grow up to be a 10-pounder. That's 10-pounder jeans right there when they got a hunchback. Yeah, it's like 6 inches long, but he's like 6 inches high. Ooh. Bro, that's a big one. Swear, dude. Oh my God. Dude, he's fighting extremely hard. Dude, I cannot move him. Oh, never mind, he's not big. Dude, he's like a 2-pounder dude. Do you not see my pole? Bro, look at this. Bro.
You sure he's not big?
No. He's like a 2-pounder, I think. Oh, it's like a 2.5. Huh? It's like a 2.5, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's a good one.
Nice slimy bass.
Sweet. Another good one. Guys, 3rd cast in a row.
Corey is beginning to cheat. 3rd cast. 3rd cast. Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah! Rich people don't care, guys. Drinking and golf carting, boys.
I will say something. I don't know if y'all see those scales, but they all are beat up. Like, they look disgusting.
But Corey says there's good genes because there's some shoulders on these bass.
Yes.
So, there's a big ones in here. I'm not worried.
They're starting to turn on. Yeah, no. Matt is still the biggest one today. It's like 2-pounder. Dude, they're so nasty, aren't they? They're just
that.
look how nasty they look in this. Guys, look at that. Look at their scales. Look.
It almost looks like Flint River bass.
Oh my god, dude.
How big do you think he is, dude?
He's doing head shakes, bro. Oh my god, it's a gator.
Nuh-uh.
Dude.
Again?
Bro. Dude, he's doing major head shakes right now. It's not a tiny one either.
How big is he?
It's like a 3-4 footer.
Bring him
I think I'm
gator
trying.
wrestling.
It was on bottom, dude. The worm was on bottom. What alligator goes on bottom to eat a worm?
Bring him up. That's what I'm saying.
I'm trying. It's like 4 foot.
Wait, seriously?
I promise.
Pours up the tank of the gator.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm gonna do to this.
You want gator wrestling?
It's like 3.5, 4 footer. It's a 4 footer probably.
Grab him right behind the head, man. You really want to do this, Chase? Huh? Chase might do some
You
gangsta-
pull him up.
Chase might do some gangsta- Hold on, he's gonna ride there. We gotta get
Oh no, it just snapped.
Hey, there's your worm.
Screw the worm.
Did you need the hook?
Alright, so I took Matt's, what is it, 12-inch worm? It's a 12-inch worm. Here is the other piece of it, and here's the other piece. So I ran out of Cinco, so I just cut it in half, well, a little less than half. And look at that, that looks like perfect. Hit it 3 times before he actually ate that crap, bro.
Dude, try to go in.
Where's the pipe? Tiny pipe, bro.
I swear that he tried to go in.
Yes, sir. Barely hooked. About a pound, guys. Little fat little dude. Alright, guys. Chase put us on some fish today.
And gators.
Yeah.
Gator man.
And alligators. But, thank you so much.
Problem, man.
Yeah, but, we tore them up. What, we catch like 10 probably all together
10
today?
bass.
Somewhere around there.
Redfish.
Bass, couple redfish.
Yeah, on a crankbait. I didn't get that on film, but
About
he
5
caught
gators.
that about 5 gators. But if y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, go subscribe. Put his link in the description. We will put him on his personal best in a drain pipe. I promise you that. But anyways, guys, I'll catch y'all next time.